Today we're going to be making Lego boxes using stuff only from
Dollar Tree.
That's right. Alright guys, so we recently saw some Lego boxes already made.
Yeah.
And we thought we could totally make these, right?
Yeah, we can make them more amazing.
Yeah, more amazing. Yes, exactly. High five,
Yeah.
dude. For less money too, right?
Yeah.
So we went to Dollar Tree and we found some really cool things. So these are the boxes. Show them your box.
Here's the boxes.
I like it because it's almost like a tray. So if you're in the car or even at home, you still got a tray. And it's got a lid and the lid flaps closed. These are from Dollar Tree, y'all. Now, Dollar Tree doesn't have the huge plates, but they have this size plate.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can we fit two? I don't think we can fit two. Can you try to fit that on there? I don't think two's gonna fit
we
on one.
actually can't.
Oh, just barely. Nope.
Barely.
Yeah. So we have one of these. They also had these. Logan, what are these?
They're Lego strips with double-sided tape on the bottom.
And I don't know how well this tape will hold up. It reminds me very much of something I paid a lot more for somewhere else for Logan's room. So hopefully these are going to be okay. These are not. We're going to use hot glue. So if you're, a minor, get some mama's help with the glue.
Yep.
Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we need to figure out if we want this to be on top like traditional or if we want it to be on the inside.
Top or inside.
Where do you want yours to be?
I want it to be like on the top, so
Okay.
and that's because that in either way when it's inside or on the lid, once it gets closed, there isn't that much space for the Legos to go.
Okay, so you
And
want
it
it,
might
okay,
crack.
good idea. So you're going to do it in the middle or off to the side?
The middle,
Okay, perfect.
because off to the side looks off.
Okay. All right, let's come in closer, and I'm sure you know how to super glue or super glue. We're hot gluing, but let's come in closer. All right, guys, we're just gonna use the basic rules of gluing. Get close to the edge, but not on the edge because
Because the edge has to be the barrier for the glue
Yeah.
won't get off and
exactly, you don't want the glue to overspill. I'm also gonna make sure my glue fits these because it's not gonna, this part won't touch this part will. So we're just gonna add some glue. I'm gonna help Logan with his too. Is that okay, buddy?
Yep.
All right, let's get to gluing. All right, I can feel the heat a little bit through this. I'm trying to make sure
Let me feel it.
it's not too hot, right?
I don't feel any heat.
It's on the corners. I feel like, I don't know if hot glue could potentially peel off this. So you might be better off with some Gorilla Glue or E6000. But so far, it's looking like it's going to stay well. All right, here's Logan's nice and glued. I hope that hot glue stays, guys. We may have to do
more to the
E6000.
bottom, so yeah.
Yeah, he wanted his a little up. That looks great. All right, next we have our strips.
Okay, strips.
They came, oh, I got hot glue on mine. It came with this double-sided tape. We may end up E6000ing all this back. I'm not sure. We'll see if it sticks or not. Are you putting yours on the outside or the inside?
I'm actually going to put it on the outside, I guess.
Oh, I like the way that looks. How am I put Sissy's
It's
in
like
the same
this is the
spot?
head and this is the hat.
That's really cool. Logan has a lot of these and around his room. They're really cool. This is awesome. I love it.
Here they are. Don't they look nice?
All right, guys. So we actually have tested these out with tried and true Legos, and they actually work really well. So we found some more stuff from Dollar Tree to put inside. This is Sissy's, and that's Bubba's. So I found these really cool stickers to put on the bricks. I've got two different packs of bricks. Hers are pink and yellow, and his are lime green and yellow. But I put them in a plastic bag so they wouldn't shake around as much inside.
You also got these little kits.
Come down in the frame. There you go. Yes, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, Golden Gate Bridge. He loves
Well,
these
I finished
ones.
this one, but I still haven't done this.
I love these. My DSLR died, so this is the ending. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more DIYs.
Yep.
Okay, bye, y'all. Love you.
Bye.